Have you ever wondered how billionaires like Elon Musk started their companies? There's an intriguing narrative behind every successful entrepreneur, and Elon Musk is no exception. Born in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk was raised in an environment that nurtured his natural curiosity. His youth was spent reading voraciously and dreaming up inventive solutions to everyday problems. From an early age, Musk showcased his entrepreneurial spirit. At the tender age of 12, he sold his first piece of software, a video game called Blaster. This was his first taste of entrepreneurial success, but certainly not his last. After moving to the United States for his education, Musk attended the University of Pennsylvania, where he pursued dual degrees in physics and economics. His time at Penn solidified his passion for exploring the potential of renewable energy and the boundless possibilities of space travel. However, the journey to the top wasn't a smooth one. Musk faced his fair share of challenges when he co-founded Zip2, a city guide software company. Despite the initial struggles, he never lost sight of his vision. His determination and innovative thinking helped him navigate through the tough times. The sale of Zip2 to Compaq in 1999 marked a pivotal moment in Musk's career. It was the stepping stone he needed to venture into more ambitious projects like X.com, which later became PayPal, SpaceX, and of course, Tesla. Musk's early life and education laid the foundation for his unique approach to entrepreneurship. His relentless pursuit of innovation, coupled with his ability to overcome adversity, is what sets him apart. And let's not forget his knack for dreaming big. Whether it's launching rockets into space or revolutionizing the automobile industry, Musk's ideas are anything but ordinary. They're bold, they're audacious, and they continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. These beginnings were not easy, but they were the stepping stones towards something great. The story of Elon Musk serves as a powerful reminder that with determination, innovation, and a little bit of audacity, anyone can change the world. Finding our content valuable? Ensure you don't miss the next Econ Genius video. We invite you to hit that subscribe button and join the Econ Genius family, where we make learning engaging and fun. We cover a vast array of topics, bringing you the latest in entrepreneurship, innovation, and beyond. Don't just watch, engage. Your subscription is your ticket to a world of continuous learning and growth. So come on, hit that subscribe button. Join the Econ Genius family today and be a part of this knowledge-sharing community. Elon Musk's journey with Tesla is a remarkable tale of innovation and resilience. Born out of a dream to make electric cars mainstream, Tesla Motors was established in the year 2003. But the road to success was not a smooth one. The company faced multiple hurdles, from financial crises to skepticism from critics. The initial years were fraught with challenges, and yet, Tesla persisted. In the center of it all was Elon Musk, a man with a vision and an unwavering determination. He was not just the CEO, he was the beating heart of the company. He led from the front, solving problems, making tough decisions, and pushing boundaries. He even invested his own fortune into the company to keep it afloat during its darkest hours. The turning point came with the launch of the Tesla Roadster, the company's first fully electric sports car. It was a game changer. This was followed by the Model S, Model 3, and Model X, each one a testament to Tesla's commitment to innovation and sustainability. In time, Tesla grew from a struggling startup to a global leader in electric vehicle technology. Today, the name Tesla is synonymous with electric cars, and it's not just about cars. Tesla's energy solutions, like the Powerwall and solar roof, are part of Musk's larger vision for a sustainable future. But the journey is far from over. Musk's vision for Tesla extends beyond our planet. He envisions a future where Tesla's electric vehicles roam the streets of Mars. It's a bold vision, but then again, Musk is not one to shy away from challenges. Tesla's journey, much like Musk's own, is a story of resilience, innovation, and an unyielding belief in a vision. It's a testament to what can be achieved when one dares to dream and has the courage to follow through. Tesla's journey is a testament to Musk's unwavering belief in his vision. From electric cars to space rockets, Musk has a knack for disrupting industries. Let's take a trip to the stars and explore the exciting world of SpaceX, another pioneering venture of Musk's. Founded in the year 2002, SpaceX was born out of Musk's audacious dream to make space travel more accessible and affordable. Not content with revolutionizing the automotive industry, Musk set his sights on the final frontier, space. He believed that by making space travel commercially viable, we could become a multi-planetary species and ensure the long-term survival of humanity. Under his astute leadership, SpaceX has achieved several significant milestones that have reshaped the landscape of space exploration. In 2008, SpaceX's Falcon 1 became the first privately funded liquid-fueled spacecraft to reach orbit. This was a landmark achievement that broke the monopoly of governmental space agencies and opened up space to private enterprise. In 2012, SpaceX made history again when its Dragon spacecraft docked with the International Space Station, marking the first time a commercial spacecraft had delivered cargo to the ISS. This was followed by another monumental achievement in 2015, when the Falcon 9 rocket successfully completed a vertical landing, demonstrating the potential for reusable rockets. Fast forward to 2020, SpaceX launched the Crew Dragon, carrying NASA astronauts to the ISS. This represented not just a triumph for SpaceX, but a new era in human spaceflight, with private companies now playing a pivotal role. All these milestones, from the launch of Falcon 1 to the successful mission of Crew Dragon, have been stepping stones in Musk's grand vision of making life multi-planetary. With each success, SpaceX moves closer to achieving its mission, and we move closer to becoming an interstellar species. With SpaceX, Musk has truly taken innovation to new heights. He's not just dreaming of a future among the stars, he's building it, one rocket at a time. And in doing so, he's showing us all that the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Enjoying the video so far? Let's make sure you stay informed about our next ones. We'd love for you to join the Econ Genius community. It's simple. Just hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon. That way you'll never miss out on our latest insights. If you're finding this content helpful or intriguing, show your support by giving us a thumbs up. And we're curious about your thoughts too, so drop us a comment below. Your engagement motivates us to create more informative and engaging content. So, what can we learn from Elon Musk's entrepreneurial journey? Let's distill the essence of Musk's approach into 3 core principles: innovation, resilience, and long-term vision. Each of these principles isn't just a rule to follow, but a mindset to embrace. A mindset that can shape your entrepreneurial journey. Firstly, innovation. Musk didn't just follow trends, he created them. From electric vehicles to space travel, he dared to venture into uncharted territories, transforming them into viable industries. His focus on innovation and disruption is a reminder that true progress often lies beyond the confines of conventional wisdom. As entrepreneurs, we need to foster a culture of innovation, constantly challenging the status quo and seeking novel solutions. Secondly, resilience. Musk faced numerous hurdles, from near-bankruptcy situations to intense skepticism and criticism. Yet, he persisted, undeterred. His resilience underscores the importance of grit in entrepreneurship. Setbacks and failures are often stepping stones to success. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. Lastly, long-term vision. Musk's ambitions extend beyond the present, reaching far into the future. He envisages a world with sustainable energy and multi-planetary life. This long-term vision drives his business decisions, even if they seem unconventional or risky in the short term. As entrepreneurs, we should also strive for a long-term vision, a guiding star that keeps us on course amidst the tumultuous seas of business. The Elon Musk Rules aren't just about creating a successful company. They're about creating a future that's innovative, resilient, and visionary. They're about challenging the impossible, persevering through adversity, and dreaming big. So, as you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, remember these principles. Embrace the spirit of innovation, cultivate resilience, and always keep your eyes on the long-term vision. And most importantly, don't be afraid to take that first step. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Elon Musk's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and resilience. We've traveled through the Billionaire Beginnings, witnessing the birth of a visionary. We've been privy to the Tesla journey, where the road to success was not always smooth, but the destination was worth every bump. And then there was SpaceX and Beyond, a testament to mankind's indomitable spirit and thirst for the unknown. Throughout this journey, we've seen the undeniable importance of perseverance, innovation, and vision. These are not mere words, but the very pillars that uphold the edifice of any successful venture. They form the bedrock of the Elon Musk Rules, a set of guiding principles that can lead to extraordinary outcomes when followed with unwavering commitment. So, as we draw this journey to a close, let's remember that the path to success is often steep and rocky. But in the words of Elon Musk, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor.